Fred, who's our production manager. Hey Fred. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are some of your favorite improvements since our lean journey started?
First of all, cleaning up the workspace.
Yeah.
Give everything a color where you're working on. For example,
Visual control, yeah.
Visual control, when you see the machines, you see directly what machine is ready is with a green label. What is a working process is with a blue label. Machines coming back, they are with an orange label. Also, I have a plan board. What is in the weekly? What is going on? For example, this is our kanban line. The machine what is on the kanban line.
So it's a visual representation of basically the factory in Romania, the kanban line. Yeah.
So what you see directly is every week we have the operation meeting with Romania. What is going on? What is planned to be finished?
Yeah.
So short lines, and it means also that we have good communication.
So you have a shop floor planning here. So can you explain that a bit?
Yes. What we have over here is the assembly planning.
Yeah.
And the assembly planning is the kanban line what is in progress on the floor in Romania. We have also the machines, they are freeze that we assign when the machines are ready, they will move directly to the floor to be built up.
So again, visual. Yeah.
Visual. And also the machine in the third section are planned already to prepare in the sub-assembly area.
So from when we started the kanban line, so we actually basically have all the machines on the shop floor, so we can build any type of machine. When we standardized the portfolio, we went from, I would say, 20 weeks assembly time to now maybe three weeks, something. Yeah. So that's a big improvement. If you go
for the standard machines.
Yeah, absolutely.
And also in Alphen we do also the difficult machines. So what you see over here are the machines coming from engineering from Romania to have a double check and have a final touch. And what you see in the back, they are the machines. They are coming from Romania and shipped directly from Romania to the customer. Yeah.
So we eliminated a lot of waste.
A lot of waste.
And what's one last thing? Your favorite improvement?
My favorite improvement, I would say, is respect for the people. Yeah.
That's it. It's all about respect for each other, right?
Thank you very much.
Cool. All right. Thanks.
Take care.